Hello, I'm in a 2016 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you come from the inside, look for this release lever, so you'll pull, and sometimes you'll hear a pop. That'll be the safety releasing. In the back side here, you should see like a cable here connected with a little tightness. If there's no cable there, you want to adjust that, make sure it's attached. We'll go up to the front. Most vehicles towards the middle, there's like a lever that'll release. So it's right here. So it's a little tough with one hand sometimes, but I just pushed upwards and that was hooked onto this. And what this looks like. And this one's actually pretty tight, so it probably needs some like WD-40 here to loosen it up. Check around, clean off some of this dirt, spray it off so there's no debris. Also, something to make sure there's nothing bent out of place on here or the hood, and that your hood's properly aligned so it'll close straight. But otherwise, that's it. Hope that was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.